Gwlad. It means country or land. Wales is our country and we love it. It breaks our hearts the way it is today. The widespread poverty and the low wages, young people driven out of their communities because they can't find jobs or homes.
Labour has been running Wales for over 20 years. Its stale policies and entrenched interests are like a dead weight. Everything we see around us comes from their long and disastrous stranglehold on Welsh life and heritage. So we've started a new party, Gwlad, the Welsh Independence Party, to offer Wales a real alternative to the same old ways that have got us into this situation. It's time to open up.
Gwlad is about opening Wales up, opening Wales for business, and opening Wales to the world. We want us to be a nation that can pay its way and hold its head high. We believe in freedom. Freedom for Wales, but freedom for individuals too. Freedom to live, work, create, inspire, develop, share and think and speak as they see fit. Opening Wales up means it's time our country worked better for our people.
Opening up a more entrepreneurial Wales with a plan for a universal basic income will support more startups, more initiatives, more risk-taking, a flourishing Welsh economy in which all citizens, whatever their background, can prosper with enterprise and hard work being properly rewarded and taxed fairly.
Opening up the housing market. Far too many Welsh people are locked out, not able to buy a home in their own community. We need a housing market that works for Wales and gives priority to the people who live here all year round. Opening up our democracy. We need new faces, new ideas and new thinking.
Let's open up Wales, set her people free. Vote Gwlad on May the 6th. Afraid of letting in a party you don't want in your constituency? Why not give us your second vote? Give fresher thinking an opportunity. Look for Gwlad, the Welsh Independence Party, on your ballot paper. And let's make a start to break the mould and change Wales for the better.